Understanding Missed the Cue, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, missed the cue. This phrase is often used in both everyday conversation and in professional contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your own conversations. The phrase, missed the cue, comes from the world of theater and performance. In a play or a performance, a cue is a signal for an actor to take a certain action or deliver a line. When someone misses the cue, it means they failed to act or respond at the right moment. In everyday language, this phrase is used metaphorically to indicate a moment when someone didn't take the opportunity or respond appropriately to a situation. It's important to note that missing the cue is often unintentional and can be due to misunderstanding, distraction, or simply not realizing it was the right moment to act. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. In conversation. Imagine you're at a party, and someone tries to start a conversation with you about a topic you're interested in. If you don't realize this and fail to engage in the conversation, you've missed the cue to share your thoughts. 2. At work. If your boss hints that they're looking for someone to lead a new project and you don't express your interest, even though you wanted to, you've missed the cue to show your enthusiasm for the opportunity. To avoid missing the cue, it's important to be attentive and aware of your surroundings and the context of conversations. Paying attention to body language, tone of voice, and the flow of conversation can help you catch cues more effectively. Also, don't be afraid to take a moment to think and respond. Sometimes cues require a bit of interpretation. Missed the cue is a versatile phrase that you can use in various situations to describe a missed opportunity or failure to respond appropriately. Remember, understanding and catching cues is a skill that improves with practice and attention. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to master English. Keep practicing, and you'll be catching cues in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.